What's up, YouTube? I'm Danny, and this is VENOMBOYZ GARAGE. A little about me. I'm here in North Carolina. This is my place. This is home away from home. I've done a couple builds out here. I've done some hot rods. I've done some rat rods. I do a lot of painting out here. I have Facebook and Instagram. If you go on them, you can check some of them out. Like them. I'm new to YouTube, so you're going to have to bear with me a little bit. And I'm not a professional whatsoever. There's going to be times you're going to be like, what is he doing? Is he a complete idiot? Why am I watching this? But I'm going to try to make it fun for you. I talked to a couple guys like Metal Massacre and Pole Barn. You got to have fun while you're doing this. So I'm going to try to make it exciting. Try to have a little fun with it. And try to, maybe share something that would be helpful for you. What I did was, for this, I picked up a 1962 C10 short bed step side. Inline 6 with 3 on the tree. Yeah, 3 on the tree. If you've ever drove a 3 on a tree, you know what I mean when I say, yeah, it's 3 on a tree. You got first, second, hunk. Okay, get out. Not levers are loose. Yeah, actually it'd be first, second, third. First hunk, second hunk. All over hung. They just wore slam out the bushes and everything. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is the powerhouse right here. Where'd my light go? You have to excuse my light in here. I worked in here for many years, but I've never had to include anybody, so I gotta get used to that. But there's the powerhouse right there. I believe it is a 230. It might be a 235. We've got to run the numbers again. It's a Mustang eater. As you know, it started life, crapping out Mustangs and most Fords. But if you can't tell, I'm a Chevrolet guy. I like my Chevrolets. Ain't nothing wrong with Fords. I just never been into them. Because Ford, how many times can you take a Ford and put a tie strap on the gear shifter and drive it? Oh, come on now. But like I said, 9,000 horsepower, 3 on the tree, way too high. It's got to come down. I can't, the height is just, but at the same time, if you're from North Carolina, you know what I'm talking about. You can't slam it. The road is so bad, you beat the drive shaft, slam out of it. But we put a new battery in it. We done a little wiring. It will bust off. I didn't do it on video just because I'm not used to it. There's a lot of things I've got to get, like more lighting. I did buy a new engine crane because we will be pulling this motor out. Painting the engine bay, going through the motor, checking the bearings, all new gaskets. We're going to paint the motor to match the truck, which is going to be a turquoise and black patina style, homemade patina. I've been experimenting with that. But I like my engine bays. Spectacular. If you go to my YouTube, my Instagram or my Facebook, you'll see my engine bays. I am just a stickler for engine bays, and I'm stickler for ride heights. Interior, yeah, mercy. Yeah, it's got some holes in the floor. My welder actually farted out on me, so I'm gonna have to pick up a new welder before we can get into doing that. Gas tank behind the seat. I'm not sure if that's gonna stay there or not. The dash, I want to change the color of the dash and the interior. Got to tint the windows. I tint about everything I get my hands on. 3 on a tree will come out. I picked up a Muncie 4-speed top loader that I've actually already went through. That was my bad. She was kind of rough shape, but I cleaned it up a little bit. The bumper, that's a give me. That thing's got to go. Yeah, I'm not big pulling no bass boats or anything. But I'm going to have the power to pull the bass boat. Lord knows that inline 6, that thing is like, ugh. Phew. You sit beside a Hemi out there on the highway and you take off and the motor will jump out of the hood of the Hemi and get scared to death. But anyhow, the painting is going to be, that's going to be a long video. Like this sign right here, I just done this sign this week for my shop. My videos are, let me turn you around here for a second. Put you back in here. My videos will come out kind of slow because I work full time. I do this as a hobby. I really don't. I work 43 hours a week, so and I come out here. I've got other stuff to do. Like I've got a '57 hardtop convertible Ford Skyliner we're doing. We're going to be doing a 78 F100 4-wheel drive. We're going to be doing some better work with that. Like I say, I got to get my welder and everything. I got to update my tools. My tools are lacking, you know. But I will get the videos out. They might be slow at first because, you know, I'm like I said, I'm learning. I'm still trying to figure this out. I'm figuring the camera out. I'm going to have to learn how to do the cutting and everything. But if you bear with me, I'll have more out for you. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Check out some of the things I'm doing. I do have a YouTube page that I've built. I hadn't uploaded a video. This is probably the first video I upload. So if you think it might be interesting, follow, subscribe, like. Tell me what you think. Tell me, say, well, what you need to do is this, and what you need to do is that. I will try to read every comment I can. Well, there's negative, positive. A lot of them are going to be negative. Like you just need to stop because it's horrible. But I will try to make this fun. I will try to make this interesting for you, and we'll both have fun together. I will get back with you on some more videos of this truck as they come out. VENOMBOYZ Garage. I've got some shirts. We got some cups. We got all kinds of stuff that I'll be coming out with more than likely. If you're interested. I got to see how this is going to go first. But like I say, I'm Danny. This is VENOMBOYZ Garage. Follow me, like, share. I'll get you some more videos, and we'll get the 62 rolling. Have a good one.